talk about eukaryotic cell structure. But first, let's talk about, or I'm going to give you the meaning of eukaryotic cell. So, eukaryotic cells are organisms whose cells are organized into complex structures with internal membranes and a cytoskeleton. And eukaryotic cell is any cell containing a well-defined membrane and nucleus, membrane-bound nucleus. And eukaryotic cell structures also shows the presence of membrane-bound cell structures called organelles that carry out different functions of the cell. So, as said, eukaryotic cells are well-defined. So, well-defined means it has organelles and nucleus. It has a mind. Nucleus is the mind. So eukaryotic cells has nucleus that controls the cells. So the cell, it is said that the structures also shows the presence of membrane-bound cell structures called organelles. So this is the membrane-bound structures and this is the organelles. So let's go to the parts or the structures of it. So first, let's start from a plasma. So I have this illustration. I tried to draw it because I can't really do it without this illustration. So this is the plasma membrane, this one. So the plasma membrane is the one who controls who can get in and can get out of the cell. It is a biphospholipid bilayer that has a non-polar and polar, a hydrophilic and hydrophobic, like a sponge like that. I don't have a, it's like a much, you know, the black and the white is like that. But in the plasma membrane, it is a hydrophilic and hydrophobic. The one that that looks like in the plasma membrane. So, it mga nakasakop plasma membrane are nakasakop can get in the plasma membrane are the water, glucose, and oxygen. While ang nakaget out are the waste and also water. Water can also get out of the cell. So, it's like that. So, let's proceed in the cytoplasm and cytoskeleton. So, in the cytoplasm is a semi-fluid gelatinous, like that. So, cytoplasm, amuton niya. So, it's like the floor. Floor haton balay, amuton cytoplasm. But in the cell, cytoplasm is a gelatinous. So, pagyat gulaman, mahumok. Gaton niya, mahumok. Or cytoplasm holds the organelles in the cell. And also, inside the cytoplasm are the cytoskeleton. So from the word skeleton, bones. So skeleton are humans. Skeletons are the one that helps our body to move and the framework of our body. So here in the in the cell, the cytoplasm is in cytoskeleton is inside the cytoplasm, and it helps the framework the inside the cytoplasm, and the movement, also the movement of cell. It also it or the cytoskeleton is also responsible for it. And then let's go through nucleus. So nucleus is in here, not here. So nucleus has our genetic information because inside the nucleus are the chromosomes or the chromatids that has our DNA. And also nucleus is the one that controls or commands the cells or the organelles of their or of what they will do or their work. So, hiyaan, kumbaga factory, hiyaan manager, nucleus is the manager. So, let's go to another. The let's go to the smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. So, a factory, they are machineries and equipment. So, endoplasmic reticulum, hiyang pathway, kumbaga, anhin aagian han mga product na hinaaya din usang factory. So, for example, nag-aayadhin shoes, hiyaan bagan machine the pathway ang hinaagian. So, with the help of ribosomes, yan na yan. So, amunat diba? Amot niya yung endoplasmic reticulum and pathway. So, there are two types, smooth and rough. So, the smooth don't have the ribosomes. See? Waray and smooth, waray ribosomes. Tapos, ang rough, hiyaan may the ribosomes. So, ano man ribosomes? So, ribosomes are the ones that helps in the protein synthesis and lipid synthesis. Okay. Yes. Yes, it is. So, ito na nabulig. So, ito na ba? Abag manufacturer, di ba? Manufacturer, company, factory, may the pathway, which is the endoplasmic reticulum. Tapos in that pathway, diba, may dito nila mga kung ano-ano himbubutang para mapaupay sa mga product. Ang ito ni ribosomes. It helps in the cell. Ribosome helps the protein. So, kalat ito ni ribosomes nga the cells. Nga daha, cytoplasm, may diya nga daha. Mga ano. Then, diba, yung product and shoes, maginaya ha, and then pathway, so may dinaya kung ikanit company na para mapaupay ito sa mga product, makadinahiya ha. Common ito, Golgi apparatus lahat ito niya. Golgi apparatus, kumbaga, okay, Golgi apparatus in the meaning of it is the flattened circular membrane that modifies proteins and package them for distribution outside the cell. So, diba, na-process naman ko na nga na-process na, tapos nabuligan niya yung ribosomes, tapos makadinaya nga diya Golgi apparatus, i-modify na hiya, tapos, kumbaga, ipapackage para igawas siya cell. Ang proteins niya, we're talking about the proteins here. So, common ito, kumbaga nga dan factor nga istorya kanina, naka-shoes na yan, o. Mga Golgi apparatus, ang pairing hub shoes para ma-deliver na. Amo ito gamit Golgi apparatus gets. Tapos, common ito, makadiya vacuole. So, ang vacuole, adalot ito na mga waste products. Little waste products. That storage kasi ito niya. A storage room ito sa nga factory. It vacuoles. So, adat nandiyan ibang food, ibang materials, tas waste products. Tapos, kabigitan, mitochondria. Ito ng powerhouse of the cell. So, powerhouse nga ni, nga natikang it energy. Nga nako-convert and glucose into ATP, which is the energy that helps in the entire production or the process of the cell. So, tapos, last, so, ini, lysosome, hiyaton yan, kung baga nga that factory, hiyaton ang guard, yung nagdadako pan mga karuyag mag-invade dito sa factory, or mga awa, ito niya lysosome. So, in the cell, lysosomes are the one who eat the bacteria or the viruses, so it won't contaminate or affect this cell. So, yet responsible ng pagkaon ng mga virus or bacteria. Isn't it amazing? Tapos, nadilat yung tahit centrioles. So, centrioles is important in the division of cell. Dito niya na, itiyaton work aadto. So, there are two centrioles. Mag-a-align, yung nga center hito sa nga cell, tapos i-divide niya dua. Ito niya mitosis or meiosis, something like that. So, that is the animal cell. So, since I said earlier, there are two types of cell in a eukaryotic cell, the animal and the plants. So, the plants is also similar here, but there are others too. So, there are cell walls in a plant cell. So, on cell walls do what? Before the plasma membrane, there are cell walls in the plants. So, it's like this. Bagat, pader hiya kung sa makasakob ito sa plant cell. Tapos, sa plant cell, may danira chloroplast. So, that chloroplast is a green, colored green substance that gets or absorbs the light from the sun for photosynthesis. So, that's